Apple cider vinegar has been used as a health tonic for thousands of years. Research shows it has many health benefits, such as lowering blood sugar levels. But can adding apple cider vinegar to your diet also help you lose weight? One study in 2009 shows that apple cider vinegar helps you lose weight and body fat. Results from one human study indicate that apple cider vinegar has some pretty impressive effects on weight and body fat. According to this study, adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to your diet can help you lose weight. It can also reduce your body fat percentage, make you lose belly fat, and decrease your blood triglycerides. To date, this is the only human study that has investigated vinegar's effects on weight loss. Although the study was fairly large and the results are very encouraging, additional studies are needed in different populations. Apple cider vinegar and lemon water recipe. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon water, 2 to 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Instructions: it is very easy. You just need to mix all the ingredients in a glass of water. Drink this every single morning. In addition to promoting weight and fat loss, apple cider has several other benefits. Decreases cholesterol levels. Studies in diabetic and normal rats and mice found that it increased HDL, the good cholesterol. It also reduced LDL, the bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. Lowers blood pressure. Animal studies suggest that vinegar may decrease blood pressure by inhibiting the enzyme responsible for constricting blood vessels. Kills harmful bacteria and viruses. Vinegar has been shown to fight bacteria that can cause food poisoning, including E. coli. One study found that vinegar reduced numbers of certain bacteria by 90% and some viruses by 95%. Lowers blood sugar and insulin. When consumed with a high-carb meal, vinegar has been shown to significantly lower blood sugar and insulin levels after eating. Improves insulin sensitivity. One study in people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes found that adding vinegar at a high-carb meal improved insulin sensitivity by 34%. Lowers fasting blood sugar. In another study of people with type 2 diabetes, the group that took apple cider vinegar with a high-protein evening snack had twice the decrease in fasting blood sugar as those in the placebo group.